You know, HR leaders could make great CEOs. In fact, research shows that top CHROs have everything it takes to lead the entire company. Except that, for whatever reason, it rarely happens. I think it's because most HR leaders are missing 3 essential ingredients. The first one is business acumen. Making the numbers tell you which options to consider. Not reporting the numbers, but commenting on the numbers. Not about what happened or what is happening, but what is going to happen. The second one is strategic storytelling. Turning complexity into a simple narrative that people can actually understand and feel. Keep it simple, but keep it interesting. The third one is about executive presence, because how you say things matter as much as what you say. You need to be human, you need to be positive, and you need to be businesslike. If you can master these 3 skills, the C-suite won't be just a dream. It will be your next job.